It's time to start installing some of these car parts. It's a lot. Let's start with this. So we got one screw here and one screw down here. Oh goodness, I almost dropped the phone. And a bunch of clips that we're gonna have to pull out, so shouldn't be too hard. I've taken this off before. If you remember when I first installed this right before the Robbie Suck store went online, I painted this up. We did a lot of work that day. That was a fun video. Go back and check it out if you hadn't seen it. Actually, upon further review, it looks like this chrome lip is held in by these clips, and this is just held on by a piece of double-sided tape. I don't remember putting that on. Maybe I did. Oh well. Let's see if we can get this off. It did not want to cooperate very well, but it's off. I forgot the damn box cutters. Yay! Came with a bunch of hardware. Am I gonna have to drill into my hood? You're crazy. I'm not drilling into my hood. They're plastic nut plates. That's fun. I'm a track. Okay, so it tells me that the nut plates should go in these holes, right? These holes over here, you see these little holes? That's where the nut plates go. Only problem, and maybe they expand when you put the screw in, or the bolt, whatever it is, the screw, maybe they expand and get held in place that way. So I'm gonna have to do this like one at a time, because to put them in there, yeah, it just falls right out. Maybe it expands. Come on! Okay, small issue. Yeah, see, the nut plate won't stay, so I can't drive it in because it's a slide. It's a slide. I don't know. We're gonna try this again. All right, so I got the bug guard on. Oh, you guys can't even see it. There's the bug guard. It's on. Ooh, ah. Now it says we need to install these little, I guess, bump stops on the back side of it. So if it like flexes, it hits. It doesn't like get too much flex, and it's got something to press against. So I'm gonna try to install these real quick. Well, there it is. That actually looks really good. I actually like that a lot. That came out real smooth. Yeah. That is nice. I like the little faded Terraflex logo right there. That's cool. Trail effects, whatever it is. That's real nice. All right. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Like, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. I love you guys. Say bye, Frankie. Peace. All right. Ah. Yeah.